In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Anchored VWAP on Tradingview, providing a quick and easy guide for your trading needs. If you're new to this kind of trading analysis or just need a refresher, this will be a comprehensive walkthrough, making sure you can confidently implement this tool in no time. First, let's get started by launching Tradingview and opening up your desired chart. Once you've navigated to your chart dashboard, the next step is to take a look at the time frame settings. The time frame is crucial because it determines the period over which the Anchored VWAP will calculate its data. Go ahead and click on the time frame option located on your chart's menu bar. For this demonstration, we're going to use a one-day time frame. This choice is particularly beneficial if you're looking at daily trends and want to understand how the anchored volume impacts price movement throughout an entire day. Once you've selected the one-day option, you'll be able to proceed confidently knowing the data scope matches your analysis intentions. Now, move on to the forecasting and measurement tools icon. This is where you'll find various options to enhance your charting experience. Click on it and you'll see a list of different tools. Scroll through and locate the Anchored Volume Profile option. This is the feature that will allow us to set an Anchored VWAP on our chart effectively. Next, click on the Anchored Volume Profile tool. With this selected, pick a specific date on your chart where you want to anchor the VWAP. This flexibility lets you choose particular market events or points of interest to analyze, such as a significant price breakout or earnings announcement. Selecting an appropriate date is essential for the accuracy and relevance of your analysis. Now that you've anchored the VWAP from your chosen date, take a look at the right side of your chart. You'll notice the Anchored VWAP line appears, providing a visual representation of the average price weighted by volume from the selected anchor point. This line is instrumental in understanding whether the current price is considered high or low relative to the volume-adjusted average price. Lastly, let me explain why the Anchored VWAP is beneficial. It helps traders and analysts assess fair value and gain insights into trends, identifying support and resistance levels more effectively. In particular, it allows you to focus on specific time periods, which can offer a sharper view of market sentiment. It's an essential tool, particularly when you want to dive deeper into volume analysis and improve your precision and timing in trading decisions. With all these steps complete, you're now equipped to apply the Anchored VWAP to your Tradingview charts. Whether you're making short-term trades or analyzing long-term trends, this tool adds valuable context to your data interpretation strategy. Happy trading, and may you make insightful and profitable decisions.